Do you like my red Christmas jacket? And how about my Christmas pants, or in British English, trousers? Now I am going to show to you another technique or trick or tactic, you name it. Space repetition. What does space repetition mean? Stay tuned and you will find out soon. Today we are going to learn the verb to be in European Portuguese. I know we have two verbs, and in many European languages there is only one verb. In English is to be, in German is sein, in French être, but in European Portuguese we have two verbs, ser and estar. But today I am only going to focus or concentrate on the verb ser. Right. Let's conjugate it, shall we? Eu sou. Repeat after me. Eu sou. Tu és. Do you remember it from the last lesson? Tu és bom. Tu és boa. Linda. Tu és linda. Linda, tu és boa. Ele, ela, você, o senhor, a senhora, e. Here, a little nuance. In European Portuguese, when we want to be formal, we say o senhor, a senhora. At times we add the professional to be more formal and show some respect towards that person. If that person is an engineer, a doctor, a professor, or an architect, we say o senhor plus profession, a senhora plus profession. For example, or for instance, o senhor engenheiro, o senhor engenheiro, a senhora professora, a senhora professora, o senhor doutor, a senhora doutora. Right, tu is informal, you singular. And você in European Portuguese is semi-formal. At times or sometimes we use this form, so this way to speak, when we want to show some respect towards our parents or grandparents, or with our uncle. Well, someone older than us. And Brazilian, they use você, and that is the informal you, but we don't overuse você. Let's recap. Ele, ela, você, o senhor, é senhora, and in the most formal situation, so too formal, we use o senhor, a senhora plus the profession, right? Nós somos. Vós sois. Vós is the second person plural, which means you are guys, or you guys. Vós sois. Well, many Portuguese don't use vós. They replace vós por vocês. However, I am from the north of the country and we do use this form, vós. It's not old-fashioned. You can read or see it on an online dictionary when you conjugate verbs. Vós sois. Right. The plural form. Eles, elas, os senhores, as senhoras. Let's recap. Eles, elas, os senhores, as senhoras são. Okay, one more time and now quickly. Eu sou, tu és, ele, ela, você, o senhor, a senhora, nós somos, vós sois, eles, elas, os senhores, as senhoras são.